Oh, snap. Door going open. All right, welcome back. We've kind of already started, but he got new coils and he's already destroying them. So
throw them away. You don't need them. Ring.
These are the new coils in question. Some PBM coils, you know. Because you were on what? You were on ISC, right?
Please, next time I order something from y'all, please send me a sticker. I went through the whole box,
He's
no
upset.
sticker.
He's
I'm really
really
upset.
upset.
I literally bought these just for a sticker to put on my car.
Yeah.
Just for the sticker.
He had, what were you on, ISCs? Which is, or ISIS? ISR?
ISIS, yes, ISIS.
Yeah, ISR. So these are an upgrade. Yeah, free coilovers, so can't complain.
Gone.
Another ring gone. There he goes. There he goes.
Bye-bye, buddy.
Bye.
Thanks for the PBM.
Bye. We're selling your coilovers.
What?
About to start breaking this thing down because we got to do the coils. He's got a bash bar. He got project view pads in, but he didn't get the fronts, so we're not gonna do those quite yet. But about to start ripping this thing apart. While it's apart, I've got these KS for 1,500. Come get them. He'll never know.
They're OGs too.
Triple chromed.
Triple chrome OGs.
Come get them 1,500 with tires. Perfect Z spec.
Are you trying to sell my stuff?
No. Don't worry about what's going on over here. Go ahead. Open that HR hood.
Oh no, I cut the video.
Go ahead.
No,
Go ahead, buddy. Open the hood. Nice HR. Wait a minute.
I just converted the plenum, so actually the DE plenum gets. I ported it. It gets a little bit more air than the.
Wait a second, intake.
No. It's an HR.
Huh? What's going on? Cars on the list, as you can see. While he is getting that all apart, I'm going to work on setting his springs, preload, dampening, whatever. Technically, we're not actually preloading these, just gotta set them. So, goal is to have them fitted up, ride good, ride stiff with a little bit of bounce. Got all the ISRs out. These are all preloaded. You technically don't preload these, just set them stiff. They should turn my hand. That's PBM's recommendations. They send a little pamphlet. They're all at 18 clicks, top of the range for this specific spring rate. Got them all lined up height-wise. Got to trim these collars because they don't quite get as low as the ISRs. But he is over here currently taking apart the rear bumper. Oh, you already...
I forgot. I never.
You already got that off.
I never tightened my can.
Oh my God. How have you not lost it yet? The turn-down's fire though.
Oh yeah.
Love a good turn down. Bash bar is all mounted up. We have to do a little bit of trimming on the bumper because it hits down at the bottom. Main reason he did this for a jack point, so we need it to protrude as much as possible out of right here. So You can't really see it, but we've got a line drawn that'll go straight across. Allow that to poke down, and it'll be good. Buddy on the floor with it. Oh!
Damn, that angle was crazy.
That angle was crazy.
Contemplate killing.
Bash bar's fitted up though. Fits good.
Yeah.
Little bit of trimming.
Got some good cuts. Perfect.
He can cut straight even though he isn't.
Wait. Something's not right. Why the owner gave, but he's cut straight. It's okay. But nah, look.
Can you tell this guy works on cars? Nah, trust. That ain't from working on cars.
Whoa!
That's from working on something else.
Okay, buddy.
Okay. Little update. Bash bar is fully on. Got the strobes all wired up. Wires are hidden and stuff. Currently, we're working on getting these front ones in. They're looking good. He's over here modifying these mounts. Yeah,
Update them on the on the bash bar?
Yeah, I did. The strobes are all good and hooked up. Oh, what the hell? So, let him cook over here, maybe. Think you cooking?
Hang on, I'm almost there.
Think you cooking?
Come on, spit faster, bro.
Come on, bruh. Spin it. Come on. Car is back together. It looks great, dude. It's pre-settled. He's already as low as he was on the ISRs on a correct setup. Dampening's all dialed in. Good spring rates. Hopefully it'll settle that little gap. If it could settle that, that would be great.
I like where it's at, to be honest.
It looks good.
If it does settle,
I mean, it looks
we're
great.
able to raise it.
Yeah, it's so fitted right now.
My biggest fear was not being able to go as low as I was before.
Yeah, which is great because you were having to do a lot of shortcuts before, and now you've got a pretty dialed in suspension setup. But he's gonna have to do a little flippy flip on the KFs. Could run a little bit more, but better safe than sorry. So probably gonna do a little time lapse of messing with these and then throwing them back on and start to wrap this video up. Been a good little night. Bash bar done, coilovers done, get some flips. waiting. So we'll see how it dries, test it out, and call it a night. A little successful day, but we will catch y'all in the next one. So peace.